Eli, wake up! We're late! Eli, wake up! It's travel day! Huh? What? 5 more minutes. No, come on! Adventure! Passports are all here.
Good. I'll check the tickets.
My bag is ready. Got my snacks! Yep, and the water bottle. Snacks for later. Where's my toy car? In your backpack, Eli.
Keep looking, buddy.
Found it! Yay! I can't find my other sneaker. I'll check under the bed.
I'll look over here.
Found it! Thank you! Sunscreen and mosquito spray, all set.
Suitcase is closed.
We're ready! Let's go!
Whoa, it's 8:45.
What? We have to go!
Okay, let's move.
I'm ready! Me too! Everyone ready? Passports are here.
Let's go. The adventure awaits.
I can't wait! Me too! Let's go!
Almost at the airport, everyone.
I see the planes, Jason! Wow, so many cool! Wow, this airport is huge!
It sure is. Let's get to our gate.
I'm so excited for the trip!
Here are our passports.
Thank you. And the luggage? Right here, it's 23.5 kilos. Wow!
See? This is our flight.
And this number? It says gate.
Exactly, that's where we go. Okay, let's get everything into the trays.
Good job, kids. Almost ready. Backpacks in. All set.
Okay, gate B45.
Great. This way, everyone. Come on, Eli. Okay, Mom. Look, Eli, airplanes. Wow, they're so big.
Enjoying the view?
Snacks are ready. Here you go, Vanessa. Thanks, Mom.
And for you, Eli.
Yay, snacks.
Final boarding call for flight to Los Angeles, gate 4.
That's us. Let's go. Yay, let's go.
Got the bag.
Passes are good. Wow, look at the airplane. It's so big. This is going to be a great trip.
Let's go.
Welcome aboard. First time flying? Yes, it's amazing. Wow, so cool. Our first family adventure. Enjoy your flight. Wow, a window seat. It is. Look at the clouds. So cool.
Everyone comfy?
Wow, Mom, look at the runway. It's beautiful, Eli.
Excited for takeoff, buddy?
We're all set. What's that, Dad?
That's the airplane bathroom, Eli.
It's smaller than ours at home. I bet it's funny. Please locate the safety card in your seat pocket. Eli, look. Wow. This vest inflates when you pull the tabs. Wow, we're taking off. Look at the runway. It's so fast. Wow, Mom, look at the clouds. They're beautiful, aren't they, Eli? So bright. Snacks for everyone. Wow, thank you. This is so cool.
Thanks a lot.
So sweet. Your turn, Eli. Okay, here, my turn. Whoa, cool.
Good job, buddy.
You're both doing great. Whoa, what was that? Is everything okay?
It's just normal turbulence, nothing to worry about.
See, all good.
Whoa, turbulence! Let's make it a roller coaster!
Oh, Jason! Whee again!
Best flight ever.
First flight, Costa Rica. Do you think we'll see monkeys?
Maybe.
Look, Costa Rica! Wow!
Welcome to Costa Rica!
How does it know which bag is ours?
Found it!
1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, it's so warm and sunny. Feel that breeze, it's wonderful. Look at all the palm trees. Look at these beautiful flowers. They're lovely, Vanessa. Wow, can I touch one? Gently, Eli. Wow, look at all the birds. Whoa, they're so colorful.
Welcome to Costa Rica. Welcome! Hello! Almost got it! Jason's family. Here you go, sir. Thanks. Megan, we're almost ready.
Everything feels so different. Wow, look at the hills. It's so beautiful. Is that a volcano? Maybe, Eli. Let's go see.
Costa Rica has amazing volcanoes.
Wow, this is incredible.
It's magical.
Look, the sunset! Best trip ever!